Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese. So let's get started. Okay, for the main ingredients to make our French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese, we have 2 nice slices of smoked ham here and 2 nice slices of American cheese. And of course we went ahead and toasted our bread. That's the key. Go ahead and toast your bread and it won't become soggy when you dip it in your eggs, you know. And back here we have our 2 nice large eggs. And over here we have our seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Yeah, that'll make our eggs taste really good and a little bit smoky. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and put all this aside for now. Okay, now we're going to use our Snapware container. It's a plastic container and it's made in USA, and boy, these really do seal good. They have a nice seal around the edge and they snap tight. Let me see if I can show you the name. Can you see it? Snapware, made in USA. Yep. Okay, let me unsnap it for you. They snap good. They sure do. And look at that rubber seal around there. Boy, is that nice. That is really thick and it's big and it really seals really good. Keeps your vegetables and all your food preparation nice and fresh. And you can keep it overnight or whatever and then just make it tomorrow, you know. All right, let's put this aside. And we'll go ahead and crack our egg in there. Now that's a grade A large egg. And to that we're going to add about 1/4 ounce of milk. And all our seasonings, put them right in there. And we're going to go ahead and beat that up, you know. Yeah, okay. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now all we have to do is start making our delicious French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's set our burner to medium-low. And we'll put just a little bit of oil in the pan. And we'll let our pan warm up a little bit. Okay, our pan's nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and take our ham and put that right in there. Okay, now this is pre-cooked ham. All we're going to do is like warm it up good and give it a little color. I like my ham a little bit cooked, you know. Okay, our ham's done. Let's get that out of there. Put it on our plate. And we'll go ahead and put that aside for now. Okay, now we're going to take our egg mixture. And we're going to put our toast right in there and sop up some of that egg, or most of it, because that's a nice piece of toasted toast and it'll be really good. Okay, let's go ahead and put that in there, just like that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cook up our nice French toast here until it becomes a little bit crispy on the outside and a little bit creamy on the inside. We don't want it too moist because it'll be soggy, you know. So we're going to let it go here and cook real nice, and then we'll flip it over. Okay, let's see how our French toast is doing. We'll go ahead and flip it over. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right, there you go. Okay, we'll let that cook on that side a little bit, you know. Then we'll go ahead and build our nice smoked ham, egg, and cheese French toast. Okay, it's been another about 3 minutes and our French toast is done. So let's get that out of there and put it on a plate for now. Put it right on that plate and we'll put that aside for a minute. Now just go ahead and wipe your pan a little bit. And add a little more oil if you need to. This one's perfect. We don't have to add any. Okay, now you want to make sure your burner is still set at medium-low or lower, maybe even on low. And go ahead and take your egg and crack it in there. And we're looking for a real delicate, nice, sunny side up egg here. So we'll just let it rest here and it'll cook rather quickly. Okay guys, let's check our egg and see how we're doing. Let's see if it's stuck. I don't think so. Wow, look at that. Alright, let's move that to the side here. And we'll bring back our nice French toast. And we'll go ahead and put that right in there. And we'll take our ham that we pre-cooked and we'll put one slice right on top of there just like that. And we'll take one slice of our American cheese and put that right on there. Then we'll take the other slice of ham and put that on top of that. Yep. Then we'll take another piece of cheese and we'll put that on top of that. Just like that. Now we're going to take our egg. Yep, we'll put that right on top of there just like that. Wow. Doesn't that look good? Okay, let's get that in the middle here and we'll let it get nice and hot. Okay, our delicious French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese is done. Let's get that out of there. Boy, doesn't that look good? Put that right on a plate. And there you have it, guys. Look at the cheese starting to melt there. Yep. Everything's really looking good. And that egg is really soft. Okay. Alright, let's have a taste test. Can't wait for this. Okay, here it is, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yep. Really tasty looking. That's our delicious French toast with our smoked ham, egg, and cheese. Yep. Boy, is this going to taste good. I just know it. But we're going to put a little bit of seasoning on top. I like to put a little extra salt and a little bit of pepper because we like our pepper. And I like to sprinkle just a little parsley flakes on top of that. Not too much. Okay guys, I just can't wait to have a bite of this, so let's get into it. And we'll have a bite. Well, there you go, guys. Our delicious French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese. And that's got plenty of ham, plenty of cheese, and plenty of flavor in that egg. Boy, this is really going to taste good. Alright, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Boy, is that tasty. That French toast is not soggy in the middle. It's a little bit creamy in the center. I don't know if you could see it or not, but it was. And this is really tasty, and that egg is done perfectly. And that smoked ham in there with the smoked paprika and our egg mixture, you know. This is really tasty. Alright, let me see if I can show you just how runny that egg is. Okay, there you go, guys. That's a perfect sunny side up egg. And it's real delicate and easy to cut through, you know, and easy to chew, you know. And you can fry it up a little longer, get a little bit crispy on the edge. Some spots are. That's pretty good. Okay, there you have it, guys. Our delicious French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese. And that's got plenty of ham in there, plenty of cheese, and plenty of flavor. And you know what'll go good with this, since we're having it for breakfast? A nice large cup of coffee. Yeah, that sounds good. And you might even make 2 of these, you know, for your guests or whoever. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yep, delicious French toast with smoked ham, egg, and cheese. And it's loaded with cheese. That's what's for breakfast today, and that'll keep you going all day. That sounds good.